guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are here today at Emerald Lake, and look at this. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. Thank you for watching. Hello, we're here and at Emerald Lake at the parking area. So it's our first time to see Emerald Lake at winter time with the baby and Kuya. And welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Ysay, and here on my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesday. So if you want to keep updated, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and of course click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So today, are you ready to explore the Emerald Lake during winter time? It is so amazing. Emerald Lake Lodge is a cozy spot to stay if you are looking for a winter getaway. Located right on the lake, the lodge keeps guests warm while also allowing them to appreciate the wilderness all around. Whether the lake is frozen over or you can still ride a canoe through the still water, you're in for a magical experience. The photos of Emerald Lake in winter are so picturesque, it's hard to believe they're not a painting. Emerald Lake is constantly inspiring a sense of wanderlust amongst locals and tourists alike. It's the largest of 61 lakes and ponds that make up British Columbia's pristine Yoho National Park. Immerse yourself in nature at this gem nestled in field, with its emerald green water and the Rockies as the ultimate backdrop. While travelers flock here in the spring and summer months, it's also an awe-inspiring place to visit in winter. There are many options to enjoy the beautiful outdoors at Emerald Lake. In winter, cross-country skiing and snowshoeing are popular activities. During summer, the lake is wonderful for kayaking, canoeing, and fishing. The trails around the lake take about an hour to hike, but you will want to stop and explore the incredible range of geological features visible from the lake, including the world-famous Burgess Shale fossils beds, the Michael Glacier, and an avalanche slope carpeted by meadows where moose often graze. In addition to moose, keep an eye out for eagles and loons during your trips as they are drawn to this important water source. When you're ready to venture indoors, warm up at Emerald Lake Lodge and peruse its walls to learn about local history since the lake's discovery. The lodge features award-winning dining options in the Mount Burgess Dining Room and at the Kicking Horse Lounge, home to an original oak bar salvaged from an 1890s Yukon saloon. Behind the historic bar is an enthusiastic bartender ready to create your favorite cocktail. The lodge offers unique, luxurious but affordable lodge-style accommodation, a perfect combination of a familiar and cozy, and the rooms are equipped with all the modern conveniences you would expect from a contemporary lodge, but with a rustic old-world charm that just cannot be recreated. At the end of the day, hop into one of the resort hot tubs to warm up and get ready to start your adventures all over again. It's easy to see why people love this magical place as you sit beside a crackling fireplace, a glass of wine in hand, and looking out over the snow-covered landscape and towering peaks. Emerald Lake is a must-see tourist attraction here in Alberta, Canada, Yoho National Park, especially during winter and most of all during spring and summer months. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you find the video informative and entertaining, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!